This is a box opening video of my right here, what I ordered for my Toyota Tacoma 1999. This is a door handle, and hopefully you can read. Its exterior, it fits 1995 to 2004, right? And I got the left and right. The big thing is, if you read here, it's metal, okay, textured metal, and those are the OEM versions of the handle you replace. They cost 32 bucks a piece, and that includes the tax. I got them on Amazon, but be that as it may, this is how they come packed in the bag. This is one side, here's the other. I did cut the bag open, and indeed this is metal right here, heavy, reasonably strong. This part here is plastic. Okay, sorry about that, folks. This piece is metal as well. Alright, I'm not certain what just happened, so let me go over this again. But the metal part is here and here. As you pull, you can see that's metal handle. It's made in Taiwan, right across the bottom there. It has a piece that latches into the arm that pulls the door open. And let's see, that's it. Oh, you have your lock set for the key you have to install, and it has 2 bolt holes. So that's it for this video. I won't open this bag, and I hopefully will show you how to install it tomorrow morning. This is number 2 or 3 on the list, depending on what my neighbor wants to do. He's going to be laying down 16 bags of cedar chips for me. Anyway, all right, let me stop this recording and see how it worked.